Hello, hello. Can you clap your hands? Hello, hello. Can you clap your hands? Can you stretch up high? Can you touch your toes? Can you turn around? Can you say hello? Hello, boys and girls, good to see you. G3, my friend Cosmo is here. Once again, he says hi to everybody. Good. I hope you're doing well. All right, let's begin. As Cosmo comes today, math is going to be fun. Okay? Good. So, in the previous videos, we learned how to write numbers in numerals and in words by spelling them and writing them in Arabic, like Arabic. All right, so that is what we learned. Now, today we will look at the place value of the numbers. Place value of our numbers. So, look at page 12 of your people's book and let's do a place value. In place value, we'll be talking about where the numbers are and how much they are. So, these ones, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 of them. And where are they? They are found in the ones place. So, 7 ones is equal to 7. All right? Because there are 7 of them is in the ones place. But if we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 5 of tens, 5 of the tens in the tens place. So 5 of the tens, it means that is equal to 50. 5 tens will give us 50. If we have 3 of the hundreds, we have 100, 200, and 3 of the hundreds. It means 300. So 300 equals our value 300. And we have 1,000 in the thousands place, and that is 1,000. So still at page 12, you could see that yes, the digit 1 is in what place? Is in the thousands place. And the value is 1,000. If 3 is found in the hundreds place, the value will be 300. And if 5 is found in the tens place, the value will be 50. In the same way, if we have 7 in what place? The ones place, the value is going to be 7. So 1,357, 1 is in thousands, 3 is in the hundreds, 5 is in the tens, and 7 is in the ones place. I want you to remember this, okay? Let's move on to the next one. Let me bring my big head here so that you can see. All right. Here, we've been asked in the ones, let's count them. How many do we have? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So in the ones, we have 8. Okay? In the tens, we have 6. And in the hundreds, we have 4, I guess. Yes. And in the thousands, we have 3. So, what does it mean? Here, it means that when we have 3 of thousands, 3 thousands equals to 3,000. Because we have 1,001, 1,002, 1,003, it means 3,000. Now, if we have 4 of the hundreds, 101, 102, 103, 104. It means how many do we have? How much would that be? To be 400. Now let's go to the tens. How many of them do we have? We have 10, 1, 10, 2, 10, 3, 10, 4, 10, 5, 10, 6. Yes, 6 of them. So 10, 10, 10, 10, 10. 6 of them is going to give us 60, right? And if we have 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, how much would that going to be? So if we have 8 of the ones, 8 of them is going to be 8. So what value do we have here? 3,468. All right, 3,468. So like you see in page 14, the value of 3 is 3,000. The value of 4 is 4,000. The value of 6 is 60. And the value of 8 is 8. The value of 4 is 400. Okay? Yeah. So 3 is 3,000. 4 is 400. 6 is 60. And 8 is 8. Because of where they are, the place. Because we remember that 3 is in what place? It's in the thousands place. 4 is in what place? It's in the hundreds place, so 400. 6 is in the tens place, 60. And 8 is in the ones place, so it's 8. So that is place and value. Okay, place, value of numbers. All right, let's move on. Here, we're trying to find the missing numbers. So let's see what numbers are missing. This is 1,000, this is 200, this is 60 and 7. Let's put all together and get the answer here. So we're going to get 1,267, right? Good. Let's go to number 2 or B, 8,020 and 5. We're going to get 8,000. There is no 100 value, so we'll get 0 for the 100 value, then 2 for 20 and 5. So we get 8,025. Here we have to see that 6,000 plus we don't know is equal to 6,300. So definitely this number 300 is what is missing. So we get 300 here. We get 6,000 plus 300 is 6,300. Let's go to D. 7,002 is here, but the entire value is equal to 7,502. So how much is missing? 500 is missing. If we add 500 to this, you get 7,502. Okay, let's look at E. 5,000 plus 4,000 plus dash plus 1 equals 5,471. So let's look at what is missing. We have our 5,000, we have 400, and 1 is here. But what definitely is missing here is this, and it's in the tens place. So it's going to be 70, right? So 5,000 plus 400 plus 70 plus 1 is 5,471. Page 15, okay, of People's Book. Now let's look at F. F says 2,000 plus 820 plus dash is equal to 2,829. So what number is missing? Definitely, I think 9. We got it. It's missing. Let's do the last of mixing numbers, and I'll give you homework. So look at page 15. Find the missing numbers here. Can you try it? I hope you can do it, right? Before the homework, can you do that? Okay, so let's see. We're going to have 5,000 plus 100 plus 80. Okay? Now, what number is here? 760 and 4. But the bigger one is here. 8,754. 764. So, what is missing? 8,000 is missing. Write it there nicely. Very good, boys and girls. Okay, let's go to the C. 2,518 is equal to 2,000 plus 500 plus 10, and whatever is missing is 8. The last one, 4,895. 4,000 is here, 90 is here, and 5 is here. So what is missing is 800. Okay, so that is that. I hope you understand how to get the place and the value of numbers, as well as finding missing numbers when we give them in standard form of addition. All right, if there's any question, you write in the comment section for me, okay? But let's go to our homework. At workbook, not people's book, workbook, page 9. Workbook, page 9. What do we have there? We have, at least, this one I've done it for you. I've done this one for you. I've done this one, and this one, and that. Okay. The rest you have to fill them. So, thousands, in the thousands place, how many do we have? 2. In the hundreds place, how many do we have? Definitely, you should get the answer as 5. Okay. In the tens place, there's nothing there, so we put 0. Then in the ones place, we put 3 here. That is easy for you to do. So the digits in the hundreds place, even if you don't know, just trace this one arrow. Where does it go? What number is that? You write it here. Okay, good. Then the digit dash is in the tens place. What number is that? You write it here. And in the ones place, you write it here. So tell me, what is the value of the digit 5? If we have 101, 102, 103, 104, 105, how many hundreds do we have? Or how much is that going to be? 5 of hundreds is equal to, okay, write it there, okay? It's your homework for you to do. So that'll be all for me and you, boys and girls, at on page 9 of our workbook. All right. So today our friend Cosmo was here with us. It's time to say goodbye to him. So bye bye, goodbye, bye 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 bye, goodbye, bye bye. Goodbye, bye, 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 goodbye, goodbye.